Have you ever wished for a money-making machine that works while you sleep? What if I told you it already exists and you own it? It's called compound interest, and it's the most powerful force in personal finance. Imagine planting a seed. With time and care, it grows, multiplies, and soon you have a whole garden. Compound interest works the same way. Your money earns interest, and then that interest earns more interest. The secret isn't about getting rich overnight, but letting your money grow steadily over time. The real magic ingredient? Time, not the amount you start with. Over the next few minutes, we'll break down how this works, using real-life examples. You don't need a fortune or a finance degree, just an understanding of this one principle. Ready to unlock your money-making machine? Let's make compound interest simple. Picture a snowball rolling down a hill. It starts small, but as it rolls, it picks up more snow and grows faster. That's how compound interest works. Your savings earn interest, and then that interest earns more interest. For example, put £100 in an account at 5% interest. After a year, you have £105. Next year, you earn interest on £105, not just £100. That's compounding. Each year, your pot grows a bit faster because you're earning interest on a bigger amount. It's not about luck or risky bets. It's about steady, predictable growth. The only thing you need to add is time. The earlier you start, the more powerful the effect. Even small amounts can snowball into something big. Compound interest is like a pay rise for your savings. Small at first, but growing every year. Give your money time, and it will work harder for you than you ever could. Let's see why time is your best friend. Time is the secret weapon in the compound interest equation. The longer your money is invested, the more dramatic the growth. Imagine baking a cake. If you take it out too soon, it never rises. Give it enough time, and it's perfect. Saving early, even small amounts, gives your money decades to grow. For example, £100 at 5% grows to £163 in 10 years, £265 in 20 years, and £704 in 40 years. Most of the growth happens in the later years thanks to compounding. Every year you wait is a year of growth you can't get back. The money you save in your 20s is far more powerful than what you save later. Time turns small, consistent savings into a fortune. Let's meet two savers, Sarah and Tom, to see this in action. Their stories will show just how powerful time can be. Meet Sarah, age 25, just starting her career. She saves £100 a month for 10 years, £12,000 total, then stops adding money at age 35. She leaves her savings alone, letting compound interest do the work. Assuming a 7% annual return, her pot grows to about £17,300 by age 35. But here's the magic. She doesn't touch it for 30 more years. With 3 decades of compounding, her money keeps growing, untouched. Sarah's strategy is simple. Start early, be consistent for a short time, then let time do the rest. She doesn't need to keep saving forever. She lets her money work for her. We'll check back on Sarah's final total soon. Remember, her real advantage is time, not the amount she saved. Even a modest start can lead to huge results. Let's see what happens when someone waits to start. Enter Tom. Tom, Sarah's friend, waits until age 35 to start saving. He saves £200 a month, double Sarah's amount, for 30 years, contributing £72,000 in total. He's determined to catch up by saving more and for longer. Tom invests in the same account as Sarah, earning the same 7% return. He never misses a payment, believing his larger contributions will make up for lost time. On paper, Tom's plan looks stronger, more money, more years of saving. But he started a decade later, missing out on those crucial early years of compounding. Tom's story is common. Many people wait thinking they'll save more later. But can he catch up to Sarah's head start? Let's compare their results at retirement. The numbers might surprise you. Who comes out on top? The early saver or the late, bigger saver? Let's find out. Let's. At age 65, Sarah and Tom compare their retirement pots. Tom saved £72,000 over 30 years, ending up with about £244,000. That's impressive. He turned hard work and discipline into a comfortable sum. But Sarah, who saved just £12,000 in her 20s and let it grow, ends up with around £261,000. She invested 6 times less, but finished with more. The difference? Time. Sarah's money had a 10-year head start, compounding for 40 years. Tom's money only compounded for 30 years. That extra decade made all the difference. The lesson: starting early beats saving more later. Compound interest rewards time above all else. Even small early efforts can outpace bigger, later ones. That's the true power of compounding. Sarah's story proves that patience and time are your greatest financial allies. Her small early savings snowballed into a fortune. Most of her final pot was growth, not contributions. Tom worked harder, saved more, but his money had less time to grow. The key is to let your money work for you, not the other way around. Avoid dipping into your long-term savings. Every withdrawal steals from your future self. Set your money aside and let it grow. Untouched. Make saving automatic and routine, like paying a bill. The earlier you start, the less you have to save later. Patience is the ultimate wealth-building strategy. Let your money do the heavy lifting. Your future self will thank you. Maybe you're thinking, I'm too late. I missed my chance. Don't worry, Tom still built a great retirement fund by starting at 35. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best is today. If you're in your 20s or 30s, you have a golden opportunity. Use it. If you're older, start now. Every year counts. Saving is a gift to your future self, no matter your age. The sooner you start, the more time your money has to grow. Don't let the past hold you back. Focus on what you can do now. Make saving a habit, not a chore. Every pound saved today is worth more than one saved tomorrow. The journey to financial freedom starts with a single step. Take that step now. So, how do you begin? Take action today. Decide to start, even with a small amount. Open a separate savings account. Call it your future fund. Set up an automatic transfer, even if it's just £10 or £20 a month. The amount matters less than the habit. Automation makes saving effortless and consistent. As your income grows, increase your contributions. Explore higher growth options like investment accounts when you're ready. Don't wait for the perfect plan. Just start. The earlier you begin, the more powerful compounding becomes. Make saving part of your routine. Your future self will be grateful for every pound you put away. Start your journey today. Your money-making machine is waiting.